Okay, let's start. Questions 38 to 40. Oh, thank goodness we've got multiple choice as well. Now listen, multiple choice questions. Type A or type B? Type A. Questions and answers are in order. But these options are not in order. Okay, question number 38. What view is expressed by Professor DeWall? What view? Now listen, what's the clue word? Professor DeWall. And we are going to go for his view. Which paragraph? Third paragraph of the passage, and we've got Professor DeWall. All right. Now let's see. Professor France DeWall. Okay, his full name is Professor France DeWall. Okay, now what is the question? The question is, what view is expressed by Professor DeWall? View. So we are going to look for his view. Now listen, they started here. His idea have met with some controversy in the scientific community. Professor Franz de Waal, who examines the behavior, blah, 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 at university and all that said. Now, let's read this carefully. I don't believe animals are moral in the sense we humans are, with a well-developed and reasoned sense of right and wrong. Now, this is what he believes. Let's go on. Rather that human morality incorporates a set of psychological tendencies and capacities such as empathy, reciprocity, a desire for cooperation and harmony that are older than our species. Now, older than our species. What do they mean by our species? Human. So it means these things, as he mentioned, fairness, cooperation, harmony, these things are older than the human being. Means before the human was created by God, so these things existed before that time. Human morality was not found from scratch. Okay, human morality was not found from scratch means human did not learn to be moral from there, they learned it from animals. Like animals had this thing already. Okay, now keep this in mind, but grew out of our primate psychology. So please come back. Option A. Apes have advanced ideas about the difference between good and evil. No. You know apes? The closest, the animal that has the similarity to human. Option B. Social manners of some animals prove that they are highly moral. Now the word highly moral is not discussed. Option C. Some human moral beliefs developed from our animal ancestors. Option D. Desire to live in peace with others is a purely human quality, not mentioned. So elimination is the best way. It's not D. Correct answer is option C. Some human moral beliefs developed from our animal ancestors. Please come back. Human morality was not formed from scratch, but grew out of our primate psychology. Now, primate psychology has ancient roots, and before that, if you just go back a little, they use the word harmony that are older than our species. Older than our species means they existed before us. So, option C, some human moral beliefs developed from our animal ancestors. You know, Darwin theory, they believe we evolved from monkeys. So, our older animal ancestors, like they think first monkeys had the moral values and we learned it from them. Okay. Question number 39. Why does Professor Bikoff, not Professor Bevkoof, why does Professor Bikoff mention the experiment of Dyna monkeys? Now listen, reason. Why does Professor Bikoff mention the experiment of Dyna monkey? You read about Dyna monkey already. So why does he express about the experiment on Dyna monkey? These are not? Options are not in order. Questions, answers are in order. Question number 38. Where did we find it? Third paragraph. Now question number 39 about Dyna monkeys. Where is it? But they are in order. Now, order does not mean the very next paragraph. One answer can be in first paragraph, one answer can be in fifth paragraph, one answer can be in eighth paragraph. So you need to look for what? What do you need to look for? Diana, monkeys, and second thing, Professor Bekoff. That is your clue word, Professor Bekoff and Diana monkeys. So what does Professor Bekoff mention the experiment on Diana monkeys? Please come to this. Alright, we already read about it, that they don't cause pain to other while getting food. So we read it from the last line because there is that professor. Please follow me, fourth last line. As there was no benefit. Found it? As there was, it's the second page, second paragraph, fourth last line. As there was no benefit for the male monkeys, Professor Bekoff argues that this is a clear example of an animal's action being driven by some internal moral compass. Now, when he says, Professor Bekoff argues that this is clear example of an animal's action. Before that, he said, as there was no benefit for the male monkey. Do you know why there was no benefit for the male monkey? Because the female monkey was old. Come back to that experiment. Shuru se padhe. A laboratory experiment involved training Diana monkeys to insert a token into a slot to obtain food. A male who had become skilled at the task was found to be helping the oldest female. So he helped the oldest female. This thing shows like uska interest koi is tarah ka nahi tha. Yeah, he was a gentleman. So Professor Bekoff argues that this is a clear example of an animal's action being driven by some internal moral compass. Now let's go back. Being driven by some internal moral compass. Option A. It shows that this species of monkey is not very easy to train. Did they talk about their training? Not at all. Cross this option. Uske aakhar pe na ek chota sa cross laga le. Option B. It confirms his view on the value of research into certain monkeys. No. No. You see that? It confirms his view on the value of research into certain monkeys. He did not mention any value of research into certain monkeys, and for certain monkeys they have Diana monkeys. Not this one. Come to see. It proves that female monkeys are generally less intelligent than males. Listen. They just said that he helped a female monkey, oldest female monkey. But this does not prove that they did not talk about their intelligence. They talked about compassion. Okay, so it proves that female monkeys are generally less intelligent than male. वैसे अगर आप समझना चाहें तो समझ लें, but actually it's not there. Now, option D. It illustrates a point he wants to make about monkeys and other creatures. Now, what are the other creatures? Let's go back. It illustrates a point he wants to make about monkeys and other creatures. Okay, you see the word? Professor Bekoff argues that this is a clear example of an animal's action being driven by some internal moral compass. Now, he is not using the word monkey here. He's talking about animal. So, it can be any other creature as well. Okay, let's go on. Question number 40. What does the writer find most surprising? Underline most surprising. What does the writer find most surprising about chimpanzees? Now we go back. What is the clue word? Chimpanzees. Yeah. What does the writer find most surprising? Now can you see there is the phrase, what is extraordinary? See that? What does it mean? Most surprising. So we've got left column, last paragraph, third last line, after full stop it's written what is extraordinary is that scientists have observed other chimpanzees interacting with him differently and he is rarely subjected. Okay, we will not understand. Let's go back a couple of lines because they are narrating something. Let's read from first, second, third, for fifth line. A chimpanzee known as. Found it? See that? We couldn't understand, so we need to go back. A chimpanzee known as Knuckles is the only known captive chimpanzee to suffer from cerebral palsy, which leaves him physically and mentally impaired. Now, what happened with chimpanzee? It was physically and mentally impaired. What is extraordinary is that scientists have observed that chimpanzees interacting with him means a chimpanzee that was physically and mentally impaired differently, and he is rarely subjected to intimidating displays of aggression from older monkeys. Means they did not scare him. Otherwise, monkeys, they fight with each other, they scare each other. So one monkey was sick, one monkey was impaired, and they did not intimidate him. Intimidate means darana. They did not intimidate him and all that. Now come back. What does the writer find most surprising? And what was most surprising? The monkey which was sick, the other monkeys did not actually fight with him and all that. Option A, they can suffer from some of the same illnesses as human. No, it's wrong. Option B, they appear to treat disabled peers with consideration. All right. C, they have sets of social conventions that they follow. No. Option D, the males can be quite destructive at times. Not at all. So, they appear to treat disabled peer. What is disabled peer? Come back. For disabled peer, they use the word. No, disabled is not old. Come on. Yeah, physically and mentally impaired. That is disabled, and peer is monkey. And consideration. What is consideration? Yeah, consideration means like, in our language we say rehm dili show karna. So for consideration, what is the word? The word is, he is rarely subjected to intimidating displays of aggression. Right? That is what they call consideration. We say she is very kind and considerate. Kind and considerate. And you say thank you very much for your consideration. Consideration is rehm dili. So they did not subject him to intimidating displays of aggressiveness. Right? Option B, they appear to treat disabled peers with consideration. So for question number 40, B is the right answer.